Hello everyone guys, and I'm really glad to see you on another smart money video. Today it will be about Fibonacci grid and premium and discount market. It's one of the main themes in the smart money concept. So what is premium and discount market? Premium and discount market are determined by Fibonacci grid, and to determine it right you need to take Fibonacci grid, and if you has a long movement of the price you need to take Fibonacci grid from the lowest point to the highest and set settings in Fibonacci grid like mine. You can see how to do it in my Telegram channel, is the link in the comments. So what Fibonacci grid shows us? It shows the potential of correction of the price. The two main rules is to sell in the premium market and buy in the discount market. It begins after 50% of Fibonacci grid, and premium market always will be on the top, discount on the low of the Fibonacci. On the chart, the side trend movements and upside trend movements are always gonna be the same, because the rules of correction are equal for every time frame and every active you want to trade. So if you want to open a long deal, you need to wait for the discount market to make your trade more confident. But Fibonacci grid is not only one tool you need to use, because you need to watch for the FIBG, order block or mitigation block. Here I brought some factors what you need to see to open a good deal. In the premium market you need to watch for the FIBG, buy stops liquidity, capturing bearish order block, bearish breaker block, bearish mitigation block, and weak. It's a long week after capturing of which you can open the deal, because it's always form a order block on the lower time frames. And discount market are the same, but in our direction you need to watch for the FIBG, sell stops liquidity, bullish order block, bullish breaker block, and bullish mitigation block. I can send with screenshots in the Telegram channel in the high quality, because it will be very useful for you to learn on it. After that we will go to the real chart for some examples. And one more thing what helps us to trade perfectly using the Fibonacci grid is OTE, optimal trade entry. It always appears in the meanings from 0.6 and 0.780, but you don't need to draw a rectangle on these meanings and open trade from it. You need to always look for the FIBG and our suspects for entering the deal, because it wouldn't work if there are not good aspects and factors to open the trade. And now I will show how to determine premium and discount market on the chart. You need to take the Fibonacci grid, determine your lowest point. If you has bullish movement, take a lowest point and go to the highest. Here we can see the premium market and discount market after the meanings of 0.5, and after that here we can see our OTE point. For example, here we have FIBG, and after that we need to open the long deal. And on the chart I will show you how to use Fibonacci grid to place your good stop losses. For example, it will be a very good deal, but stop loss are gonna be risky. But if you place it like that, it will be a successful trade in 19%. So don't forget, what trader earns money only in long distance. If you want to be a good trader, don't waste your emotions and money on the short-term deals. You need to look in the future, and in the future you are always gonna be in profit. So in the opposite direction it will be the same, but here you need to place a Fibonacci grid from the highest point to the lowest to determine our premium market and discount market. After that you need to check your OTE position, look here for our aspects, and open your deal. And after correction, close it by part. And so why this works? Because smart money banks and capital use this to get the crypto or shares by the good price and form some formation for us to open a trade. But for the retail traders, it's always a scam to get a liquidity pools for the power of price movement. For example, retail trader after that will open long positions but not close on these meanings, and after the price go down we get all the liquidity, feel the FIBG, and with the all power of liquidity go upside and grab all money of retail traders. So let's move to the real graph for the real examples. So let's look for the example on the chart. Here we can see an upside movement. What we need to do, we take our Fibonacci grid, place it from the lowest point to the highest, to determine our potential of correction. And what we can see, our order zone are perfectly in the point where Fibonacci is situated. So from these meanings we can open a good long deal with a take profit on the capturing of liquidity with the stop loss under our OTA zone. Our factors would help us to open a good deal are the capturing of this liquidity, and capture of this liquidity is so these factors are helping out to open a good deal. It's in our example. Here we have some downtrend movement tool. Now we are taking Fibonacci grid, place it from the highest point to the lowest, and what we need to do now, we are taking our rectangle, look for our OTA zone, place a rectangle like that, and looking for the confirmations of our deal. Here we have the breaking block. I mark our breaker and chart. It's our entry point, and if you don't know how to use it, drop some likes and I will show it in the next videos. For the hour confirmations, here we have the capturing of this liquidity, what are almost major, and we get power for the downtrend movement. And after the break of structure here, we could open a good short deal for these meanings with a conservative stop loss above our Fibonacci grid and take profit on the capturing of the lowest liquidity. Or you can use a risky stop loss, for example, for our breaker, and only in one day you could get a risk reward ratio about 8. And let's look for the example of long positions. We take our Fibonacci grid, and if it has a long movement, we need to place it from the lowest point to the highest, determine our OTA zone for the risk meanings, and looks for the confirmations of our trade. For example, here we have a Fibonacci zone from which we can open a deal, and we are looking for the capture of liquidity. All these meanings that are perfectly gripped and perfectly fill the Fibonacci, so we can open with a conservative stop loss above Fibonacci grid or the risky for the Fibonacci, and it will be successful trade. So thank you for watching for my guide. Follow on my Telegram channel for more news and knowledges. Drop your likes, and thank you for watching.